Two more Jamaican teachers die. Classes suspended at one school. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Vice Principal of the Excelsior Primary and Infant School, Shirley Pinnock, is one of two teachers who passed away over the weekend. As a result of her passing, the school has sent a memo advising students not to turn up for school on Monday as the teachers mourn. Sources have confirmed that the teacher, Dolores McFarlane, who taught at Discovery Bay All-Age School, also passed away over the weekend. The cause of Miss Pinnock's death, who died early Sunday, could not be ascertained up to the publication of this report, but it is understood that she had been ill for some time. It was also learned that Miss McFarlane had been battling brain cancer. Condolences have been posted on social media for the family of the veteran teachers. Over recent weeks, several teachers have passed away locally. In fact, 7 teachers passed away in a week, running from May 11 to May 18. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.